Hello guys. So today topic is about when you should take risk entries and when you should take the confirm entry, right? So if you haven't watched the previous videos and if you have no knowledge about the supply and demand course, I'll be uploading the full course on my YouTube channel. Go and watch the previous videos if you haven't watched the videos yet. So if you have some knowledge about the supply and demand course and you don't know when you should take the risk entries and confirm entries, so this video is for you. You can watch this video till the end and you will be properly understand how you can get these entries and can be profitable on the live chart, right? So price is in a bearish trend from here, right? Price making a break of structure from here, here and here, right? So from here, wait, from here price made a break of structure, right? It went to the downside, but price didn't mitigate this demand zone. From here price also made a break of structure. From here there was a smaller move to the upside, and then price made a break of structure from here. And then what happened is price just made a change of character. From here price broke this high and went to the upside, right? And then mitigated this demand zone, made a break of structure from here, mitigated this demand zone and made a break of structure from here also, right? And now what are the possibilities, right? So now there are different possibility. One possibility is price can just mitigate this supply zone, made a change of character from here and then goes to the downside. Next possibility is price just go to the upside, mitigated this demand zone and then goes like this. And next possibility is price do not mitigate this supply zone, just go to the upside, do not mitigate, then come to the downside, mitigated this demand zone and then goes to the upside, right? And from here I will let you know how you when you should take the confirm entries and risk entries, right? So when wait guys, let me remove this so you will be properly understand, right? So alright. So from here when price goes to the upside, do not mitigate this supply zone and just mitigated this demand zone, then you can take the confirm entries, risk entry, sorry. You don't have way to the change of character like this and then you can take entries. No, only uh, you just wait for the price to touch this zone and then you can take the entry. And you can set your stop loss from here and then target this high, right? Next is if price mitigate this supply zone, then you should wait for the change of character like this. From here you can take entries, right? If you take risk entry from here, there are highly chances that your stop loss can get hit. Why? Because price is coming from the mitigated demand zone, right? So this is how your stop loss can get hit. If price do not coming from the mitigated demand zone, then you can take the risk entries like this. If price is making break of structure like this, and if price do not create any demand zone from here, then you can take risk entry from here, right? Price made a break of structure from here, went to the downside, then you can take the risk entry from here. But if price is making break of structure like this and then made a change of character from here, made a change of character from here, mitigated this demand zone, then demand to take control over from a supply, and then demand is in control, then you can take a risk entry from here like this, right? You should wait for the change of character and then you can take entries, right? So this is how it is done, risk entries and confirm entry, right? So these are the possibilities when you should take risk entry and confirm entry. There are also a scenario like this. Wait, let me remove all this. I don't know how to remove all this in a single way, single tap. I have watched some YouTubers doing like this, but I don't know how to do it. So, yeah, guys, sorry for the delay, guys. Yeah, this is okay. So, then the next possibility is if price made a break of structure from here like this, and then made a change of character from here, mitigated this demand zone to the upside, mitigated this demand zone, and there is unmitigated supply zone from here, right? So now what can happen if price show some rejection from here, made a change of character, and you can take entry, right? Imagine if your stop loss can get hit from here, price made a change of character, your entries can be right, but you can't control a price, right? You can just predict and analyze. So your stop loss can get hit from here, right? Your stop loss get hit and the price just went to the upside. And now where from you should take entry? Like from you should wait for the this unmitigated mitigated demand zone. No, from here you can take entry. Right, I will show in the next upcoming video how you can take entries from this when price shows some rejection, and this is a flip entries. I will let you know in the next upcoming video. Then you can take risk entry from here. You shouldn't wait for the change of correct like this, right? You can just wait for price to mitigate this demand zone, and then you can set your target this high and like this, right? So this is how you can take risk entries and confirm entries. So please subscribe if you haven't subscribed this channel yet, and I'll be uploading the full demand and supply codes, and if you have any doubt you can contact me and email me. I will reply all of you and reply all to all of your doubts, right? Thanks guys for watching this video. See you in the next video. Thanks.